Hey friends, if you wish to fix Ntoskrnl.exe BSoD error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing, like any blue screen of death error, we will have to proceed accordingly. First of all, update Windows and update all the drivers. So, right click on the start button and select settings on the menu, and then you can go to Windows Update on the list on the left hand side. Select check for updates in the right pane. Select advanced options, optional updates, and install all optional updates. The next solution is a check the scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on the as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the check disk scan. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a Windows memory diagnostic test. This is to check the RAM. So search for memory diagnostic in the Windows search bar and click on Windows memory diagnostic. Select restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.